Hey everybody, thank you for stopping by my channel, Beautiful Black Rican. It's nail time! Alright, as you can see, I have purchased several sets of nails from Clutch Nails. I love Clutch Nails because you can walk around with beautiful nails and still keep money in your pockets. These nails are called Black and Bougie. So let's go ahead and open them and see what we have inside. Boom. Alright, when you open the box and you take out all of the supplies, it says, "Hello, beautiful," which I love. And in every box you get instructions. Tells you exactly how to apply the nails. Clutch Nails. Been with them for a while and I love them. Alright, in every box you get a nail file and the glue. There are 24 nails in each box. Next we have Nail It Every Time. Now these nails are glitter silver and I will be rocking these Christmas. I can't wait to apply these. And again, it comes in this cute little bag with the nail file and the glue, and there are the nails. Love it. You can't beat it. Like I said, nail it every time. And inside the box, there are directions. Hello, gorgeous. Yes, I'm talking to you. This tells you how to apply your nails. Okay? Boom. All right, next up we have Scarlet. Now these are very, very pretty. I can't wait to wear these as well. Let's open them up. So pretty. Look at these. These are gonna really be sexy on my fingers. Boop boop. All right, these are Greek Goddess. These are very, very pretty. Let's take them out the box. I was trying to find the ones that have the gold stripes across them. Very pretty. And there is a tag on this bag that says to polish with a clear coat so that the gold doesn't come off. And I actually found one for you, but you really can't see it. But they are very, very pretty. All right, last but not least, we have Marvelous. Now these were the first ones that I picked because I liked the marble effect on these nails. Black and white, very pretty. I can't wait to put these on and show you how they really look. All right, so I've decided I'm gonna go ahead and do the Black and Bougie nails. These really would have been great for Halloween, but it's okay because I love black nails. So let's get prepared. All right, and what I'm doing is pushing back the cuticles, which I basically already did earlier today, but I'm just showing you my process. And please don't judge me. I know, I'm a nail biter. They look terrible. That's why I do nails. Okay, I am really struggling to get this open, but I promise you it's not that hard. It's just Brina's way. Everything has to be difficult. Ooh, now finally. All right, so now I'm going to take the nail file and buff away the shine on my nails. I'm sorry I'm out of frame, but we're just buffing off the shine, nothing more. Alright, and now I'm just wiping away the dust. Alright, and now it's time to size them to fit my fingers. My fingers are pretty much on the smaller size, so this will be quick. Alright, now that we have the nails all set out, it is time to do the application. Now I don't use the glue that comes in the box because I have a glue that I really love, and I will not tell you what that glue is because I don't want anyone to come back and say, you suggested it. So let's get to applying these nails. You ready? All the nails are applied. Now I'm just putting a little bit of cuticle oil on, and Look at this, beautiful. This honestly took about 10 minutes from start to finish, and look how pretty they are. I love clutch nails. So I have on the Black and Bougie, and here are the other 4 that I purchased, and I can't wait to do the application for you guys. Alright, that is it. If you want beautiful nails without that hole in your pocket, visit Clutch Nails online and use my code for 15% off. Thanks everybody.